Good morning, students. Exercise 3.1, sum number 2, subdivision 1, x plus 2y minus z equal to 6, minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to minus 12, x minus 2z equal to 3. The sum heading is what means discuss the nature of the solution. So, in this given sum, we need to find this is a unique solution or many solutions or no solution, right? So what is meant by unique, what is meant by many solutions, what is meant by no solutions, right? So first we solve this sum. What answer we are getting, at that time I will explain what is unique, what is many solutions, what is no solutions. Then only you can find easily what is this, for unique means what, for many solutions means what, no solutions what many, right? So first we have to solve the given sum. Solve means normally we need to solve the given equations. We need to find the value of x, y, z. Like that we need to solve. So listen here. Here x, y, z. Three variables is given means the equation we are having, three equations we having. Right? Three variables given means the sum will be the three equations. Suppose they didn't give the equation, we need to form the equation means we need to form the three equations. That is the concept. So given is two variable means we need to form the equation means we need to form what? Two equations we need to form, right? So here is three variables given. One is x, another one is y, another one is z. So we need to form three equations. But here no need to form. There itself given three equations given. We need to find only what? What is x, what is y, what is z, right? So put the number 1 and 2 and 3. Right. So first doing we are having x, y, z. Second also x, y, z. In the third equation we are having what? X and z only we are having. So two variable only we are having in the third equations. So we need to form one more like this type of equation we need to form. So we need to cancel the y. See the sum number equation 1 and 2, x plus 2y minus z equal to 6, minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to minus 12. So in these two equations, we easily cancel this 2y. So cancel means we are getting the variable x and z. Like this we are getting. So for that reason we need to cancel this y. So solving 1 and 2. X plus 2y minus z equal to 6, minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to minus 12, plus y minus y will be cancelled, x minus 3x. In 1x, minus 3x means what? Minus 2x we are getting, minus z, 5z, plus 5z. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 4z we are getting. Here 6 minus 12, minus 6. Clear? Right, this is equation number 4. So equation number 3, x minus 2z. Equation number 4, minus 2x plus 4z. So we are having x and z variable only having in this 3 and 4. Now we need to solve the 3 and 4. We need to cancel any one variable. Then we are getting the value for x or z. So here x we are having. Here we are having what? Minus 2x. So we need to cancel this. X means here minus 2x, here minus 2x, here x. So multiply by 2, we are getting what? Equal 2x, 2x. So what I am doing here, solving 3 and 4, we need to equal the variable, then only we have to cancel that variable. So I multiplied by 2 in the 3 equations. Multiply by 2 means this whole equations we need to multiply by 2, right? So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means 2x minus 4z. 2x minus 4z equal to 6. Multiplied by 2, 2x multiplied by 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, multiplied by 2, 2 into 3, 6. So we are getting 2x minus 4z equal to 6. Then here minus 2x plus 4z equal to minus 6. Minus 2x plus 4z equal to minus 6. So see here, minus 2x plus 2x cancelled, minus 4x plus 4z cancelled. So we are getting 0. Here 6 minus 6, 0. So 0 equal to 0 means both are equal. So this is it has infinitely many solutions. It has infinitely many solutions. Clear? So why we are getting 0 equal to 0? So already I told what is unique, what is many solutions, what is no solutions. So the next sum we will discuss about that one, and then we will solve the another sum. Thank you.